Hey Maureen, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show you 3 things that set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Google loves content, so you want to make sure on your homepage you have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of your content. And also it's important how your pictures save too. For example, if we check here, saved image as, see, we can see there is like just numbers. So if here is could be like some keywords, it would also help you rank on your website. So another thing I want to talk about is citation. So if I type electricians NYC, first we can see this Google guaranteed ads, and then we see these ads here, and then we see this here map pack. So what a citation is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to aid their business details and services within their would be considered like directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank here on the map, you need to make sure that you look into your competitors' directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop and you want whatever your competition has. You want to get what they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citations. The last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. You see like Yelp, expertise, home advisors. So there are a lot of big national companies that taken up all the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. And if you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job, and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shop and ice cream stuff, it's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another electrician's company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. As I can see, you have 19 referral domains that gives you 66 backlinks, and out of those you are getting found for 85 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting 66 people on average to your site each month. So if we see here on the first page, our competitors, Apollo NYC, they have 47 referring domains. That gives them 381 backlinks, and which is getting them found for 414 keywords. And out of those keywords, they are getting more than 500, almost 600 people on average on their site each month. And if we check them what keywords they have, because we want to put the same keywords also to rank better. So on the this is the position 1. He has electrical NYC, and electricians in my area have more than 2,000 search, and brings them more than 70 people on their website. So to boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. So that's pretty much it, and what I had for today. And if you and I hope this video has been educational for you. And if you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. I'll be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. And thanks again, Maureen, and have a great day.